Greetings everybody, and welcome to the Healthy You channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly close to all of our hearts, both literally and figuratively. The food choices we make and their impact on our cardiovascular well-being. Remember, maintaining a healthy heart starts with nourishing our bodies with the right fuel. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover 7 common foods that often sneak onto our plates but may not be serving our hearts as well as we think. Let's start with a common culprit lurking in many diets: processed meats. Think bacon, sausage, deli meats, and hot dogs. While tempting for their convenience and flavor, these processed options are often loaded with sodium, a key contributor to high blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure strains your heart, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Think of sodium as a magnet for water. It pulls fluid into your bloodstream, making your heart work harder. Limiting processed meats is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier heart. Opt for fresh, lean protein sources like fish, poultry without the skin, beans, lentils, or tofu. These alternatives provide essential nutrients without the sodium overload. Remember, reading labels is crucial. Even seemingly healthy options can harbor hidden sodium. It's time to address those tempting treats. Baked goods. While a warm cookie or a flaky pastry can be a comforting indulgence, they often harbor an ingredient that spells trouble for our hearts: trans fats. These unhealthy fats, often found in partially hydrogenated oils, raise your LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and lower your HDL cholesterol, the good kind. This double whammy creates a perfect storm for plaque buildup in your arteries, restricting blood flow and increasing your risk of heart disease. Fortunately, awareness about the dangers of trans fats has led many food manufacturers to eliminate them from their products. However, it's crucial to remain vigilant and check ingredient lists carefully. Let's talk about a beverage many of us enjoy but can have detrimental effects on our hearts: soft drinks. These sugary beverages provide empty calories, lacking nutritional value and contributing to weight gain, a major risk factor for heart disease. But the problem goes beyond calories. The excess sugar in soft drinks can lead to insulin resistance, increasing your risk of type 2 diabetes, which in turn significantly elevates your chances of developing heart disease. Instead of reaching for a sugary drink, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice for flavor. Red meat, while a source of protein and iron, should be consumed in moderation for optimal heart health. High intake of red meat, particularly processed varieties like bacon and sausage, has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. This association is partly due to the saturated fat content in red meat, which can raise your LDL cholesterol levels. Choosing lean cuts of meat and opting for alternative protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, lentils, and tofu can help you enjoy flavorful meals while prioritizing your heart's well-being. Let's face it, deep-fried foods are undeniably delicious. However, their impact on our hearts is far from appetizing. The process of deep frying creates harmful compounds that can damage blood vessels and increase inflammation. both of which contribute to heart disease. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, further increasing your risk. Limiting your intake of deep-fried foods, whether it's French fries, fried chicken, or onion rings, is crucial for protecting your heart. Dairy products can be part of a healthy diet, but opting for full-fat options can negatively impact your heart health. Full-fat milk, cheese, and yogurt can contribute to elevated LDL cholesterol levels due to their saturated fat content. Switching to low-fat or fat-free alternatives allows you to enjoy the calcium and protein benefits of dairy without the added heart risks. Remember, small changes in your dietary choices can make a significant difference over time. While moderate alcohol consumption has been suggested to have some heart-healthy benefits, excessive alcohol intake can wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system. Overindulging can lead to high blood pressure, heart failure, stroke, and other health problems. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation, which means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. It's essential to prioritize your heart health and make informed choices about alcohol consumption. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier heart. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. By being mindful of the foods we choose, we empower ourselves to live longer, healthier, happier lives. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on living your healthiest life. But most importantly, we ask that you share this video with others to help inform those in the world around you and beyond. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.